Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we have 4 plus 1 parentheses 6 divided by 3 times 2. We first of our parentheses, which is 6 divided by 3 times 2. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2, then multiply by 2. We bring our 4 plus 1. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we bring 4 plus 1 times 4. 4 plus 1 will give us 5. Then 5 times 4 will give us 20. 20 is the answer to this expression. And what if I say this answer is incorrect? Because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, moving from our left to our right. So in this expression, we have parentheses, we have multiplication, division, and addition. So we are going to work according to these rules. Let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses. Our parentheses is 6 divided by 3 times 2. So 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. Then we multiply by 2. Then we bring the rest down. Then 2 times 2 will give us 4. Then we bring the rest down, which is 4 plus 1 times 4. Here we have an addition and a multiplication. So according to the rule of PEMDAS, multiplication comes first before addition. So we solve our multiplication first. 1 times 4 will give us 4. Then we bring our 4 down. 4 plus 4 will give us 8. So 8 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.